Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at Microsoft Word basic skill and how to format Microsoft Word. If you notice, we have part 1 to part 5. So this itself is actually from a level 1 to right to level 5, right? So definitely, if you're not familiar with Microsoft Word, I don't know how to get started, this definitely is the video for you. And if you stick to the end, you understand clearly what Microsoft Word is all about and what are the details, right? So basic skills of Microsoft Word definitely gonna learn right here, right? And as we go through the next field so far, so this is just an introduction to this page, right? You can notice here formatting Microsoft Word document part 1, right? So what we wanted to do is how to open a blank Microsoft Word document here, because a lot of persons don't know how to do that. Right, and so how to save it as my document. So when you open it, you're going to save it as my document. They're going to minimize the document. Yes, minimize it. They're going to restore down and maximize the document. You might be hearing this for the first time, but you're going to learn it as you progress. Zoom in and out the document. Resize the document. And then we're going to close the document. So it's very important there. So the first thing that we wanted to do is open a document, right? So the first thing right here, we can right click. Notice this small dialog box come up. You're going to come right here that said new. Notice you're going to come down and this is set with the document. Just like that. And remember it said to save it as my work. So what you wanted to do, you want to say my work. Just like that, and you press enter. And there you go. So that's exactly how it's saved, right? And if you notice, I'm going to zoom it so you can see this clearly. If you notice, say minimize the document, right? So we're going to minimize the document now. Right, or we're going to minimize the document. First, we have to open the document. So first thing, we have to put the cursor on it. We're going to right click. We're going to click on word open. Right, so when you click on open, now we're going to go like this now. Right, so minimize the document. But if you notice right up here, if you notice when I put the cursor right here, notice it's a minimize. Right, let me close this a bit. When I click on minimize, you notice it take you right down where the taskbar, click on it again. Now so come back up, click it again. And that's how we minimize it. We'll go back to the taskbar and click it and go. Alright, so the next one we're going to be looking at now is restore down and maximize. Yes, restore down, maximize. How do you do that now? This button right here, notice? You put the cursor upon it, and notice it's a restore down. So you click it, it's a restore down. If you maximize it and put the cursor upon it, it's a maximize, maximize up. So this is how you actually restore it down to here and then come like this. Press maximize and actually go back right there. Right, so for the next one, we're going to be looking at right here how to zoom in and out the document. Right, if you notice right down here, the zoom window. If you notice there's a minus right here, a plus right here. If I come like this and I click on the plus, you notice the document actually coming right in. But if I come on the minus and click like that, you notice it actually gone right in just like that. Come like this. That's how you zoom in and zoom out the document. So if you have the document like this, you find you can add this word, just simply come on the zoom window. Take a time and click it up like that. You notice each time I click it up, it actually come up. Click it like that, it actually zoom out. So that's how you actually do zoom in there, right here. So resize the document. How you going to resize the document? First, you want to restore it down first. Notice to restore it down, you want to resize it, you put the cursor on the side. Notice look at the arrow like this. So hold on the left side of the mouse. If you're not desktop computer, hold on the left side of the mouse. If you're on a laptop, you go along the left side of the touchpad. You can drag to the right. You notice you resize, notice I can't come back to the left. If I go to the top, you can actually do the same thing and can come like this. This is how you resize, right? Come like that, bring it up. Notice, very important. So that's how you actually resize the document so far. Right, so now we're actually at the last one, that's the close the document. How are you going to close the document? Right, you have seen anyway. There's two ways in which you can close. You can come right here and close it. And you can go on your keyboard and look for the word ALT, which is Alt plus F4. Actually close the document. And if you don't remember that shortcut key, you can actually click this right here and it's closed. So thanks for watching. See you in part 2.